Have you ever thought about starting your own business? It's a journey that has inspired and shaped the American dream for centuries. But the key to this journey isn't just about having a great idea or deep pockets. It's about knowledge and training. Imagine you're about to set sail on a vast ocean. Without a map or a compass, you're likely to drift aimlessly, or worse, crash into unseen obstacles. This is where training comes in. It's your map, your compass, your guide to navigating the world of business. Whether you're planning on running a quaint coffee shop or a cutting-edge tech startup, there's a wealth of resources available to help you get started. But it's not just about starting your business. Training also prepares you for maintaining your business, for weathering the storms that inevitably come, and even for when you're ready to sail off into the sunset and pass the helm to someone else. The training you get, and any assistance that comes with that training, is going to be the foundation on which your business is built. From here, what you will need to get is a business plan. Now you might be thinking, I've got it all up here in my head, I know exactly what I'm doing. And that's great, it's fantastic to have a clear vision. But having a written business plan brings a whole host of benefits you may not have considered. Firstly, it's like a roadmap for your business. It helps you to navigate the complex world of startups and small businesses. It outlines your goals, strategies, and potential challenges. It's like your personal GPS for success. With it, you're less likely to get lost along the way. But it's not just a tool for you. A well-crafted business plan is also an essential document for securing a loan. When you walk into that bank or meet with potential investors, they're going to want more than just your word. They want to see a solid plan, something that shows them you've thought it through. You understand your market and you have a strategy for success. A business plan gives them that reassurance. Now, I want to highlight something crucial here. Yes, a business plan is important, but it's not a prophecy set in stone. It's a living, breathing document that will evolve and grow with your business. As you stride along the path of entrepreneurship, you'll learn and adapt. You'll encounter unexpected challenges and exciting opportunities. And when you do, your business plan will change too. Let me tell you, the business world can be a fickle place. Markets shift, customer preferences evolve, and new competitors emerge. Your business plan isn't just a document you create once and then forget about. It's your constant companion, guiding you through these changes. It helps you stay agile, ready to pivot when necessary, keeping your business thriving no matter what comes your way. So remember, having a business plan is more than just a formality or a tool for securing funding. It's a blueprint for success, a guide for your journey, and a flexible framework that adapts with you. The business world can be very fickle, and your own plans may have to change to keep up with the external changes that have a direct or indirect influence on your business. Having all the applicable business licenses is a legal necessity and something you need to plan to get. This may seem like an obvious step in the process, but you'd be surprised how many ambitious entrepreneurs overlook this aspect, caught up in the whirlwind of their exciting new venture. You see, the process of acquiring business licenses isn't a one-size-fits-all type of thing. The licenses you need depend on the nature of your business, the state you're operating in, and sometimes even the city. It's crucial to do your research, understand what's required, and ensure you're fully compliant. The cost of these licenses also varies widely. Some might set you back just a few tens of dollars, while others could run into the hundreds or even thousands. It's a cost you need to factor into your startup budget, alongside your other initial expenses. Now, here's the thing. There's a certain order to these processes, and it's important to get it right. Before you rush off to secure your licenses, you need to have the capital to get your business up and running. That's where your business plan comes in handy, helping you secure a loan or attract investors. Securing a loan is typically not contingent upon having the required licenses to legally operate the business. In fact, it's usually the other way around. Your licenses should come after you've secured your funding. If you think about it, it makes sense. Why go through the time-consuming and potentially expensive process of obtaining licenses if you don't yet have the funds to launch your business? So, in essence, while the legal necessities are undeniably important, they need to be tackled at the right time. Keep your focus on the larger picture. Get your funding in place, understand the licenses you need, budget for them, and then go ahead and make your venture legally compliant. This way, you're setting a solid foundation for your business success. ensuring that you're not just dreaming big, but also playing by the rules. And remember, securing a loan is typically not contingent upon having the required licenses to legally operate the business. Once you have the capital and the legal obligations taken care of, you need to produce a name for your business. Now, this might seem like an easy task, but in reality, it is a crucial decision that can significantly impact your brand's perception and growth. Your business name is your first impression, your daily introduction, and a key element in your marketing strategy. So, how do you go about choosing a great business name? Firstly, your business name should reflect what your business does. It should provide some insight into the products, services, or experiences that you offer. Secondly, it should be easy to pronounce, spell, and remember. The simpler it is, the easier it will be for your customers to find you online or recommend you to others. Also, consider your long-term vision. If you plan to expand your business in the future, you might want to avoid a name that's too specific to a single product or location. And don't forget to check for trademarks to avoid infringing on another business's rights. Now, once you've brainstormed a list of potential names, it's time to register your business name. This process varies depending on your business structure and location, but generally, it involves two key steps. First, you'll need to check if your chosen name is available. This can usually be done through a database search on your local government or state's business website. If your chosen name is unique and meets all the naming guidelines, you can move on to the next step, which is registration. Registering your business name may involve filing an application, paying a fee, and possibly renewing your registration every few years. Once your business name is registered, it's protected and no other business can use it in your state. Remember, the name you choose will represent your brand's identity, values, and mission. It's a vital part of your business's story and can be a powerful tool in connecting with your customers. When starting a small business, choosing the right name and registering it properly is key. Starting a small business might seem overwhelming at first, but remember, every successful entrepreneur started where you are now. They too faced the daunting task of creating a business plan, navigating the legal landscape, and crafting a brand that truly represents their vision. Just as they did, you can also navigate these challenges and lay a strong foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. Let's take a moment to recap the crucial elements we've discussed today. Remember, the first step is gaining the necessary knowledge and training for your chosen field. This will be the bedrock of your business and will guide all your future decisions. The type and extent of training will depend on your business model, but the goal is to ensure you're well equipped to handle the intricacies of your industry. Next, we discussed the importance of a comprehensive business plan. This isn't just a document to impress potential investors or lenders, but a roadmap for your business. It outlines your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve them. It's not set in stone, and you'll likely revise it as your business evolves, but having it written down keeps your vision clear and focused. Then, we dove into the inevitable legal necessities. Securing the right business licenses is not just a legal requirement, but a sign of your commitment to running a legitimate business. Whether you're self-funded or seeking a loan, having these licenses in place is a crucial step in your business journey. Finally, we touched on the importance of naming and registering your business. This is more than just a bureaucratic task. It's the first step in building your brand and carving out your space in the market. Your business's name is its identity, and registering it ensures that identity is uniquely yours. But remember, starting a small business isn't a one-time event. It's a journey, one that's marked by continuous learning, persistence, and adaptation. The business world is dynamic, and your ability to keep up with its changes, to learn from your experiences, and to persist in the face of challenges will determine your success. In this journey, there will be times of uncertainty and doubt, times when you may question whether you're on the right path. But that's where your business plan comes in. It serves as your guiding light, reminding you of your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. It's a testament to your vision and the commitment you've made to bring it to life. So, as you embark on this exciting journey, remember that every step you take, every challenge you overcome, is bringing you closer to your dream. The road to entrepreneurship might not always be smooth, But with the right knowledge, a solid business plan, and the necessary legal requirements taken care of, your dream of starting a small business can become a reality.